last weekend and unable to be here this evening. So Barry Cusick is filling in.
I'm also the stand-up.
Coming through turn number 4 down the straightaway, and away we go! AJ Ford out in front, John Holiday is 2, Matt Noblin is 3 on the outside, Ron Linden is 4. They're officially underway. We have completed 1 lap in this Cup Division second-round qualifier. AJ Ford out in front, John Holiday is 2, Ron Linden 3, and Matt Noblin is 4. Qualifier. At this point, we're led by AJ Ford. This time by the flag stand, we left completed 4 laps. 4 laps completed. By AJ Ford, John Holiday is second at 42. Ronnie Linden third. Matt Noblin is 4th. This time by the flag stand, the cross flag in position, indicating the halfway mark of the race. AJ Ford out front. John Holiday is 2. Ron Linden 3. Matt Noblin is 4. This point that AJ Ford in truck number 01. Next time by the flag stand, we will have completed 8 laps. Next time by will be 8 laps completed. And at this point, the 01 AJ Ford leading the way. John Holiday is 2, John Linden 3, Matt Noblin is 4. The next time by the flag stand, the white flag will be displayed, indicating the last lap of this qualifying race. The white flag is down. So if you're going to make your move, this is the time to make it. AJ Ford over front. John Holiday is 2, Ron Linden 3, and Matt Noblin is 4. Here we come on turn number 4 down the straightaway. Your race winner, AJ Ford. John Holiday will finish 2, Ron Linden 3rd, Matt Noblin for 4. Ladies and gentlemen, truck number 01, AJ Ford, your unofficial race winner. Truck number 01 is sponsored by Barb's House of Art, Venice Pizza, Ford Fishing, and Jake's Auto Salvage, and of course driven to